Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up A1, A2, A3, and A4 paper sizes in AutoCAD layout using the easy method. This is a great way to build the perfect sheet layout on your current setup session so your drawings look perfectly sized when you send them to the print machine. Step 1. Go to your paper sheet layout tab. The first step is to switch your screen view away from your black drawing canvas and click over to the Printable Sheet tab where you arrange your final layout shapes. Move your mouse pointer down to the bottom left edge of your screen workspace, locate the small rectangular tab that says Layout 1, and click on it once. Watch your monitor change from the dark model view to a bright white rectangle that represents your physical sheet of paper. Because you cannot change the size of a printing page while working in the infinite model area, you have to move over to this paper simulation space so you can configure the actual borders of your sheet. Without this step, your sizing selections won't affect your final layout dimensions at all. Step 2. Open the Page Setup controller. Next, you need to open the main configuration menu that handles all the rules for your sheet size and print settings. Move your pointer back down to that same Layout 1 tab at the bottom, click your right mouse button to open a menu list, and select the words Page Setup Manager. When the small manager box pops up, look at the active layout name in the list and click the button on the right side that says Modify. Because it opens up the central Options control panel where the system stores the sheet rules for your current setup. By clicking Modify, you tell the program that you want to rewrite the height and width limits of your digital paper. It ensures your workspace options are open and ready for the next adjustment. And now you need to use your mouse pointer to choose a standard digital printing option first, which unlocks the full official list of standard paper dimensions. Look at the top drop-down menu labeled Printer/Plotter. Click it open, select the option that says DWG to PDF, then move down to the paper size list and click it open. Scroll carefully through the long list and pick the exact sheet name you need for your project, such as ISO A1, ISO A2, ISO A3, or ISO A4. Because if you leave the printer setting blank, your paper list will only show tiny default office sizes. Selecting the Digital Copy Machine option tells the systems engine to unlock the large sheet database. Choosing a name like ISO A3 immediately alters the background calculation rules to match the real-world dimensions of that sheet. It is the key step to getting the right output because it resizes the white sheet canvas instantly. And that's it. To set up A1, A2, A3, A4 paper sizes in AutoCAD Layout, you must first right-click on your Layout tab at the bottom and choose Page Setup Manager. Then you click the Modify button to open up your options window on your screen canvas rows. Next, you change your printer selection to DWG to PDF and select your desired ISO A1, A2, A3, or A4 size from the middle drop-down menu. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.